Isang mapagpala at makabayanihang umaga sa ating lahat. Kayo po ay nakatutok ngayon sa PNVSCA Online TV, kung saan tampok ang mga kwento ng voluntarismo. Ako po si Anthony K. Bagano Jr., Volunteer Service Officer 2 ng PNVSCA.
At ako naman po si Alisa Villa, Volunteer Service Officer 2 ng PNVSCA. Ang PNVSCA Online TV po ay ang programang tumatalakay sa iba't ibang usapin at nagbabahagi ng balita patungkol sa volunteerismo sa ating bansa. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, especially to our viewers via Facebook Live.
Happy National Volunteer Month sa inyong lahat! At happy first day ng December. Partner, final month of the year, pero ito pa rin ang pinaka-busy month. Anong unang pumapasok sa isip mo pag naririnig mo ang December?
Naku partner, alam mo, napakarami kong naiisip kapag naririnig ko ang month of December. Unang-una na dyan, ang spirit of Christmas. And pag naririnig ko ang salitang Christmas, una kong naiisip ay spirit of giving.
Yan.
Kasi alam mo partner, when we go back from January up until now, mapapaisip tayo ano ba yung mga blessings na na-receive natin, ano ba yung mga opportunities na nakuha natin throughout the year. And this December is also a good time for us to share ano yung mga overflowing blessings na natanggap
Tama.
natin and how we really share it with other people with a genuine, loving, and passionate heart. Napakahalaga po niyan para sa lahat.
Yes, and I would add up to your answer, partner.
Yes.
So I would connect it to giving. And especially when it comes to December, that is a time for our family. But in
Yes.
connection to giving, I hope that as we celebrate the National Volunteer Month, we can encourage our family members, our friends, our colleagues at
Yes.
work, and in different organizations that we are a part to be engaged and take
Yes.
part on different volunteering activities this December. And I think our agency and other partners have a lot of activities lined
Yes.
up for this month. So, ayan, the first day pa lang po ng December and we're really looking forward to what activities our organization and different partners have lined up. And speaking of National Volunteer Month o NVM na sinasabi nga natin, partner, NVM started with masses offered by our partners. And isa na po dyan ang Romblon State University. So we would like to extend our thanks to President Marian Katahay-Mani for your support sa ating NVM. So as you can see on your screens, to our online friends, they have conducted a mass po sa ating mga to start or to kick off the NVM activity. And partner?
Yes, alam mo partner, we are really thankful po sa lahat ng aming partner organizations who are really supporting the celebration of National Volunteer Month. Kaya first day pa lang partner, kick off talaga, di ba? We are really thankful po not only to our partners but everyone who are really engaging, celebrating, and participating for our National Volunteer Month. And I'm sure partner, even if our partners, non-partners who are joining us, marami rin silang hinahandang activities and celebration for our National Volunteer Month. So kung meron po kayong hinahandang activities o meron po kayong mga gustong salihan na activities for the NVM celebration, please comment your answers to our Facebook Live. So don't forget to comment, shout out, message us via Facebook Live at babasahin po namin yan maya-maya lamang. Also, don't forget to share this
Yes
Facebook
po.
Live para sa ating December 1 NVM celebration po so that everyone can really see, participate, and encourage more audience to join us in this celebration.
Yes, and before we proceed with different activities lined up today, naalala mo ba, partner? Let's take a throwback muna,
Ay, throwback?
Yes, tama, partner. And naalala mo ba, last year din, December 1 was a Sunday, and ito yung first episode ng
Wow.
PNVSA Online TV. And we are now on our anniversary episode. And I'd like to ask you, partner, ano naman yung mga naging experience mo in the past kick-off events or NVM throughout the years?
Yes. Alam mo partner, going back, throwback to last year's NVM celebration, nakakataba ng puso partner. Kasi alam mo, we can really see how our partners and the whole community are really engaged and committed in celebrating volunteerism.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Napakahalaga nun kasi through their heart,
Mhm.
hindi lang sila nagpa-participate they are really taking something from those events
Mhm.
and from what they have learned through those events, they really implement it with their organizations. Nagkaroon tayo ng fun run, may webinars,
Mhm.
may recognition of volunteers. Kaya ako personally, partner, with my journey here in TNVSCA, natututo ako about volunteerism. Ano ba ang volunteerism? Ano yung mga strong foundations, 'di ba? But mas natututo ako with our partners kasi they are really also learning from us and we
Tama.
are learning from them. It's a good sharing of knowledge para talaga sa lahat ay matuto tayo about volunteerism. How about you, partner?
Oh, how about me? It's my second time to celebrate with the agency itong National Volunteer Month. And one of the activities that I have participated ay yung expo. So aside from, of course, leading the PNVSA online TV, we also had some expos. And that's something that we can look forward to this year. So there are participation of different organizations such as higher educational
Yes.
institutions, local government units, and of
Yes.
course yung ating mga expo or yung mga exhibitors na galing sa iba't ibang organization, may it be from the government or the
Yes.
public. But I think our resource speakers and our guests and also our viewers are excited to know what we have lined up for these episodes. Kasi this is a special episode that we have prepared especially for you. So without further ado, partner, or wag na nating patagalin pa?
Yes, so wag na nating patagalin pa, partner, because I know everyone is excited. Paano ba kami makaka-join sa NVM celebration? Ano yung pwedeng simple kong gawin para mapakita ko na I really want to show the spirit of volunteerism? Alam mo, partner, now that we are in the digital era, narinig nyo yon, di ba? Now that we are really promoting things through online, napakahalaga po na maramdaman namin ang inyong pagmamahal at suporta by using our NVM Facebook frame. So, syempre, medyo nagugulan sila. Paano? Saan? Paano
Mhm.
namin gagawin yan? So, without further ado, we would like to invite our special guest for today, Miss Arian Maghanoy of PNV SCA, to really teach us paano ba natin gagamitin ang PNV SCA NVM Celebration Facebook frame. Good morning, Miss Arian!
Hi, good morning everyone, and happy National Volunteer Month to all, especially sa ating mga volunteers. So today I'm going to share brief lang on how we will use our Facebook frame. So sinabi nga ni Miss Ali kanina no na in a simple way we can show our support sa ating National Volunteer Month celebration. And by changing yung profile frame natin, it's our way of saying thank you sa ating mga volunteers, especially sa mga volunteers na nagbabahagi ng kanilang oras, um, time, talent, and treasure sa mga nangangailangan. So let me share my screen. So ito po ang ating instructional video. So medyo may brief discussion lang po about National Volunteer Month. And yeah, it's our simple way to participate. So here are the few simple steps on how we will change. First, i-open po natin ang web browser natin and go to the Twibonize website, or kapag phone naman po ay app. Then in the search bar po, i-type po natin ang National Volunteer Month 2025. Then makikita na po natin diyan yung campaign po ng NVM 2025. So next po is pag nandun na po tayo sa campaign, click lang natin yung choose your photo na button, then click po natin yung photo na gusto natin. Pwede nating i-adjust yung photo para sumakto po dun sa frame na gagamitin natin. So kung okay na po sa atin yung looks nun, pwede na po nating i-download, and mada-download po natin 'to directly po sa ating downloads folder for the PC po na gumagamit, or sa phone naman po sa gallery. Then we can also copy yung suggested caption for our NVM campaign, and we will use it later sa ating pagpo-post. So uploading naman po, ayun po, punta po tayo sa Facebook, then change profile po tayo. Then post po natin yung kinopy po natin caption to show our support sa National Volunteer Month celebration. Pag okay na po, na-post na natin and na-adjust na natin yung photo, i-save lang po natin yon, at yun na po, mababago na po yung ating profile frame. So simple lang po, and by taking a minute po, nakapag-participate na po tayo sa National Volunteer Month celebration. So thank you so much po, Miss Ali and Sir Anton.
Thank you so much po, Miss Arian. Alam mo, Miss Arian, habang dine-demonstrate mo siya, we're also trying paano namin siya papalitan. And wait, let us pakita
Nakapagpalit
natin
na ba kayo?
partner. Yes.
Nagawa mo ba, partner?
Nagawa ko siya. I'm not sure if nakikita siya. Pero
Ito.
yan, nagawa namin. And this is also posted na po sa aming mga Facebook profiles.
Mhm.
So,
Isa
ayan.
tayo.
Yan. Hopefully nakikita sa ating camera.
Yes.
Yan.
Kita. So, with all our live viewers now sa Facebook, napakaganda po ng itinuro na step-by-step process ni Miss Arian on how we can change our profile photo. So, makikita nyo rin po itong step-by-step tutorial na ito sa PNV SCA Facebook page. So that ngayon pa lang po na December 1, we are encouraging everyone to use this Facebook frame para po maipakita natin ang suporta at pagmamahal po natin sa volunteerismo. Maraming salamat po, Miss Arian, for your time. Thank you so much.
Ayan. Thank you again, Miss Arian, for leading us on how to change our profile pictures. Not only on Facebook, we can use this profile picture on Instagram, kung may LinkedIn po tayo, may X po tayo, or even in our TikTok accounts, so that we can spread awareness on what we celebrate in December. And that is the National Volunteer Month.
Yes, thank you so much to everyone who will use this Facebook frame. Ipakita po natin ang ating suporta at pagmamahal by using this frame.
Again, the instructions are also posted on our Facebook page. I think it's after this live, yung next post po na yun, andun po yung step by step. So if ever nabilisan po kayo sa presentation kanina, we have already posted it yesterday in support for today's activity. Ayan. So thank you so much again, Miss Arian and partner. I think we have two more speakers that are very excited to share their experiences as well. And
Yes.
ngayon, partner, from the National Volunteer Month kick-off activities, there are
Yes.
also activities that we have conducted this year prior to the launch of
Yes.
the kick-off event. So ngayon, we are going to call on Mr. Michael Nobleza, one of our volunteer service officer, one man from the Policy Advocacy Technical Services Division, to walk us through. Ikwento
Yes.
mo naman sa amin, Sir Migs, kung ano naman yung ginawa nyo kahapon at the other day, I think Saturday and Sunday,
Yes.
nandun na sila sa Boracay. On what activities have you conducted, and for our viewers to learn more sa ating mga hinanda para sa ating mga viewers today. Hello! Hi, Sir Migs!
Good morning, Sir Migs.
Nakamute
So,
ka.
ayun. So, welcome to the province of Aklan, where we are starting the National Volunteer Month events for this year. So, again, greetings to all, and for all of our volunteers, it's your month. Happy National Volunteers Month. So, as what Sir Anton has said, dito sa Aklan nagsisimula ang events for this year. And our partner for the events from Boracay to Aklan is the Western Visayas Education Consortium, volunteerism consortium composed of 11 HEIs or higher education institutions all around Western Visayas region. So the first event that we conducted in Boracay is the outreach activity for the ATI community. So I think my colleagues there has pictures that we can share to you. And as they share, I would tell you the story of how this inspiring event occurred. So our team, composed of PNVSCA as the secretariat, as well as the other consortium members, went to the ATI community, which is located in Boracay Island. So there we met with 90 of the ATI beneficiaries that are currently being helped and supervised by the Vincentian Daughters of Charity, headed by Sister LV and Sister Mercy. So the consortium members, through their generosity, they gave different gifts like school supplies, hygiene kits, emergency kits, as well as coloring books and other supplies that the children would want and need for not only for this Christmas season, but they can also use for their studies. So I think we can move to the other pictures din po. And after the outreach activity, we had the consortium meeting with Sister LV and Sister Mercy, wherein they shared to us stories of the ATI community, their struggles, as well as their triumphs. So in this meeting, we were also joined by Kiwanis International, headed by Miss Hazel, and as well as representatives from the Department of Agriculture National Dairy Authority, or NDA. So, si NDA po nagbigay siya ng gatas for the beneficiaries as well as kina sister. And si Kiwanis po ay tumulong din sa pag-conduct ng outreach activity. So, pwede po nating i-proceed yung pictures. Ayan po, si Executive Director Gawe together with the representatives po from Kiwanis International Region 6. Next. So this was the group picture of the consortium together with Sister LV and Sister Mercy, as well as Kiwanis and NDA after the meeting po, which occurred after the outreach activity. So makikita po natin dito sa picture, together with PNVSA, we have representatives from Central Philippine University. We have also representatives from Northern Iloilo State University, Guimaras State University, Iloilo Science and Technology University, Iloilo, ISOFEST also has representatives, as well as Aklan State University, which hosted the event in Boracay and which also accommodated us for the outreach activity. We also have representatives from University of Antique, and also gifts were given by University of San Agustin, as well as the other consortium members. We can proceed po. So, ayan po yung program before the event. We were serenaded by the beautiful voices of the Ati children. So, kung maririnig nyo lang po sila, you would feel like you're being brought up to a higher place. So, we were inspired to volunteer more after hearing their voices. Next po. So, also we were joined by student volunteers. So, hindi lang teachers, hindi lang faculty and admin ang nag-volunteer. So, we were joined in the outreach activity by the Sagibin Volunteer Group or Club of the Aklan State University, as well as students from Western Visayas State University. At the conclusion of the outreach activity, the sisters were also given gifts by the employees of PNVSCA, which was received by Sister LV and Sister Mercy through the representative, Sir Jeffrey Almazan. Proceed po. So ito naman po, yung nabanggit ko kanina, yung representatives from the National Dairy Authority na namigay po ng gatas. And to tell you, ang sarap nung pinamigay nilang gatas, and hindi lang siya masarap, healthy pa rin siya and safe for consumption. Next po. So katulad ng nabanggit ko rin earlier, si Sir Aklan State University through Dr. John Orbista, yung nag-lead ng event natin for the outreach. And ito yung pamimigay. So yung nakikita niyo po sa slides ngayon is ito po yung bigay ng Central Philippine University, mga tsinelas po for the kids. Next po. So ito rin kuha ng mga student volunteers natin habang inaayos yung mga ibibigay. So nakahanay po siya depending on grade level para ma-distribute yung mga kinakailangang goods ng mga bata. Kung ano yung year nila, for example, nursery up to grade 12, hiwalay-hiwalay na po yung gift bags para mas maayos yung distribution. Meron pa po ba tayong pictures?
I think
Yan.
this is the last picture. Sir
So,
Nick.
ginanap yung outreach activity sa chapel within the Attic community. So, dun sila nag-gather, dun din nag-gather yung mga volunteers natin from different state universities and nag-converge as one for the program as well as for the main outreach. So, after ng outreach mismo, nagkaroon din ng games na hinost ng mga student volunteers natin as well as nagkaroon din ng storytelling. So isa sa mga nag-storytelling kahapon si Dr. May from University of Antique. Proceed po.
Ayan.
So ayan
I think
yung gift
the
giving. So I think wala nang pictures. So all in all, the outreach was a success. So kitang-kita naman sa mga ngiti ng ating mga friends from the Ati community as well as kina sister kung paano ba namamaterialize ang volunteerism as a effective tool for empowerment as well as in building just and resilient communities. Katulad ng team natin for this year. So, sana nandito kayo, Sir Anton and Miss Ali, kasama namin, na narinig din ang mga boses, narinig ang mga kwento ng ating mga kapatid, kaibigan sa ating community. So, siguro last na po, for updates regarding the NVM activities, especially yung mga nangyayari here sa Western Visayas, you may also view our official TikTok page. Kaka-launch lang po niya a few weeks ago. So, every day within this week is magpo-post po tayo ng different videos, clips regarding the events na nangyayari dito sa Western Visayas, in particular with Aklan, with Capiz, and most of all, with Iloilo City, ang ating host city for the kickoff event na mangyayari in a few days' time. And for that, I will give the floor to the next speaker since siya yung magdi-discuss sa atin ng mga susunod na mangyayari dito sa Western Visayas for the National Volunteer Month kickoff events. So back to you po sa office.
Ayan. Oh, before we let you go, Sir Migs,
Yes.
ano naman po ang personal takeaway nyo as a volunteer, as an employee, a public servant who shared his time, talent, and effort during that outreach? Ano naman yung pinaka takeaway mo as a person and as a government employee?
So as a personal take, as a volunteer and as a public servant, siguro if I can simplify it in these words, we can do more. So we can serve other people to the best of our abilities. Hindi naman kailangan na grandiosong pagbibigay. Even simply going to them, listening to their stories can be an act of volunteerism. So iba pa rin yung may nakikinig na hindi sila kinakalimutan. Iba yung handa kang ibigay ang iyong oras, panahon para sa kanila kahit hindi ganun kalaki yung ibibigay mo. Kasi usually yun yung fear ng iba. Wala silang maitutulong, kaya hindi mo na sila mag-volunteer. Pero with that experience, napatunayan ko that we can do. Even with little, you can volunteer. And yung little na yun, hindi siya mananatiling maliit lang. Once you volunteer, it would grow because it would help others. And not only help, it would inspire others to volunteer also. So yun yung take ko for the outreach activity.
Ayan. So thank you, Sir Migs, for sharing your experiences and walking us through kung ano yung nagawa ng consortium, ng ating opisina, ng ating employee association. And you, our volunteers, engaging other organizations to participate or take part in this outreach activity. Maraming salamat po. And as mentioned by Sir Migs, there are a lot of things to look forward to.
Yes.
This is just day one
Yes.
of our national...
Patikim pa lang.
Yes, ng ating National Volunteer Month. Patikim pa lang, as my partner said. So with that said, thank you, Sir Migs. And I'll give the floor naman to partner to introduce our next speaker.
Alam mo, partner, nakaka-inspire yung sinabi ni Sir Mix, no? Kasi kahit wala tayo doon, personally, no? Kahit yung mga viewers natin na nanonood doon, ay kahit wala tayo mismo doon sa area kung saan sila nagvo-volunteer, the message of Sir Mix is really clear. We can serve more, we can do more. It doesn't matter how small the act is, but it's about how big our heart is in serving people. Kaya maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng aming partners na naging katuwang namin para maging successful ito pong consortium outreach na ito ngayong day 1. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hindi man po namin kayo may isa-isa ngayon, but we are really happy. We are really thankful for your efforts. And partner, Bago ako magpunta sa ating next speaker, magbabasa lang tayo ng konti lang, na patikim pa lang naman mga messages sa ating Facebook Live. So to all our viewers via Facebook Live, please share, like this post po, and then you can share it with your friends, with your family, with your workmates, to everyone, para po malaman nila on how we can further celebrate National Volunteer Month. So meron tayong message dito sa ating Facebook Live. Hello po sa ating partners and colleagues sa MPDO Bansud. They are watching from Bansud Oriental, Mindoro.
Yes,
sa inyo.
hello.
Maraming salamat po. And to Sir EJ Marquez, thank you very much po for watching our live. So don't forget to share, like this Facebook post para po at least mas marami tayong maabot na viewers in disseminating about the National Volunteer Month celebration. And now, partner, diba? Patikim pa lang to.
That's
So,
right.
gusto namin na ang ating viewers, you can really know more about the activities that we have lined up and prepared for each of you. So, for us to really know better, ano ba yung mga activities pa na nakalatag for the whole month or even just for this week lang, no, partner, we are inviting Mr. Kenneth Ciruelo, our Division Chief of PASD, to discuss to us ano ba ang mga pwede pa nating i-look forward to for this celebration. Hello po, Sir Kenneth. Magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Magandang umaga, Sir Ken.
Anton and Alin, no? So, kita nyo yung background ko. Nandito nga sa tapat, provincial capital ng Aklan. Di ba? So sabi nga kanina ng ating kasama na si Mix, nandito kami ngayon sa Aklan, no? Para ipagpatuloy itong ating national activity at noon, ilang buwan ng Disyembre, no? Ito yung unang araw ng ating volunteer month. Kami naman ngayon ay naandito sa provincial capital to have this interface with the provincial government of Aklan, no? So sa interface na ito, kasama natin ang member ng Western Visayas Volunteerism Consortium, no? So sa interface, sinishare dito, no, ng provincial government ng
Yes, ayan.
Ayan.
Mukhang medyo meron lang tayong technical difficulties for this moment at hihintayin natin makareconnect si Sir Kenneth for us na mas malaman pa ano yung mga pwedeng gawin. Alam mo, partner, nakakatuwa, no? Because day one pa lang, it's really important how we really showcase our passion to serve, not only through outreach, kasi marami pang nakahandang activities for the National Volunteer Month. Kaya we are really excited po, not only for the activities prepared by PNV-SCA, but also to the activities that are being prepared by our partners para po makapag-join ang lahat. We are really aiming to build an enabling environment where volunteers can really thrive, really serve, and really love.
Ayan, good. That's a good take, partner. And I think Sir Kenneth is back.
Yes.
So Sir Kenneth, again po, so again, hello sa inyo na nasa Aklan Provincial Capital. Ayan, ang ganda naman po ng background ni Sir Kenneth. Ipagpatuloy po natin, Sir Ken.
pasensya na sa ating mga viewers at followers po. Kaya kami lumabas kasi may sa loob. Kaya kami bumaba dito para makatagap ng mas na. Well, anyways, as to why we're here, no? First day na we're having this interface, the government of Aklan, no? And no other than the provincial administrator of Aklan, well, in the person of Attorney Silvin, no? Siya po yung nag-welcome sa volunteerism consortium. No, at pinapakita lang nito talaga naman, no, yung willingness, no, ng ating government to serve as a learning hub. Gusto matuto kung ano ba, no, yung at ano pa bang dapat gawin para mapalakas ang volunteerismo, lalo na mula sa ibaba, kumbaga sa local government unit. So kanina, no, nung bumaba kami dito ni May, nung lumabas kami sa kwarto sa kung saan kinakanta itong interface, no, pinapakita, no, ng provincial government yung mga nagawa na nila, no, in terms of volunteerism. So nasabi nila kanina, no, na sila ay nakapag-issue na ng executive order, no, and so nakapagpunta na sila ng Korea, nagkaroon na sila ng learning ay ano din po, no, sessions pagdating sa volunteerism. So, sinishare din nila sa mga participants natin kanina. At kung matatandaan niyo, no, lalong-lalo na sa mga followers natin sa Facebook, no, at sa ating online TV,
Mhm.
2 years ago, no, PNVSA started providing technical assistance dito sa provincial government ng Aklan, no, lalong-lalo na sa volunteerism management, no, mainstreaming ng volunteerism sa local development. So, baga ngayon, pinapractice na nila, no? At di ba alam naman natin na ang National Volunteer Month ay hindi lang a month of celebration, kumbaga, no? This is also a month, no, of calling into action, no, people to volunteer, as well as a month of strengthening and strengthening relationships through networking toward sustainability of our volunteer programs. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa unang araw ng National Volunteer Month. Itong ating mga kasamahan, no, magkaroon ng best practices sharing, no, at networking na din para sa kanilang mga future activities. Now, ang mga kalinap naman natin activities for this month, no, bukas meron na tayong Volunteer Expo naman
Nice.
sa mga Capiz, no, at ito naman ang lead natin ay Capiz State University, no, at ang Philamer, no, ito naman ay gaganapin sa SM City, sa Rojas City, no. So in the afternoon naman kakaroon ng meeting, no, pangatlong meeting natin ng ating ng ating Visayas Volunteerism Consortium. So mga pag-uusapan din dito, no, mga future activities, consortium, yung mga next steps, no, kung ano sa mga activities natin kahapon sa Boracay, no, at sa 2 naman, no, ng hapon, alas 5 ng hapon, ay meron tayong Zumba competition, no. Competition
Zumba.
na ito, ha. Ito naman, Zumba competition, at ito ay ito na inihanda, no, ng Iloilo City Government, di ba? Doon sa may Esplanade, no, dito sa Iloilo. And sa 3 naman ay ang umpisa ng ating Volunteer Month Kick-Off events sa Iloilo, no, sa hap and merong tour, and 4 and 5 ay meron tayong volunteerism focal point system
Mhm.
sa San Agustin, University of San Agustin. And ano naman, no, 2 days after, no, ay nasa Dumaguete naman tayo para sa sa mga other activities din, no, for this week. Kami pa tayong activities, sa mga full list of activities, no, ay mag-refer na lang tayo sa calendar ng PNVSA dyan sa Facebook page na kalagay. Yan muna, Miss Ali at Sir Anton, unless may mga katanungan pa kayo ito.
Yes, Sir Ken. Sir, maraming salamat po at talagang live na live po ang inyong pagbibigay sa amin ng updates dyan sa ating venue. Sir, before we let you go, may questions lang kami. Kanina nabanggit niyo, sir, that the partnership between the different organizations ay talagang napapakita yung malapit at matatag na collaboration. Sa tingin niyo, sir, how important partnership is in really providing and creating an enabling environment for our volunteers, especially that NVM celebration is really for our volunteers.
Yan, magandang, no? May kasabihan tayo, in union there is strength, di ba? So,
Mhm.
the more na meron tayong partner, no, ay mas mapapalawak siyempre yung ating network, no? Mapapalawak yung ating resources, no? Magkakaroon din tayo ng sharing practices, no? Na siyang papatibay lalo ating mga programa. Gaya ng nagpa natin sa ngayon with the provincial government of Aklan. Later in the afternoon, pupunta naman tayo sa local government ng Tibo, no,
Oh.
will walk us through sa kanilang medical center, para mapakita din nila yung kanila na tawag na Kalbo Volunteers. Di ba? Meron silang programa na Kalibo Volunteers, no? Sa tuwing mo yung app no, ay ating tingnan, mapunta ng walkthrough doon at ito ay kasama din sa learning experience, no, ng ating mga participants members ng Western Visayas Volunteerism Consortium. Ayan.
Yes, maraming salamat po, Sir Ken. For sure, on the succeeding days, mas marami po kaming maririnig na updates from you, from the team. At maraming salamat po both for you and Sir Mix as our field reporters. Maraming salamat po, Sir Ken.
Ingat po kayo dyan, Sir Ken, and looking forward to more activities and updates from your end po. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, Sir
Thank you.
Ken.
Thank you.
Yan. Alam mo, partner, nakakatuwa kasi this is just day one, di ba?
Yes, let's go.
Pa lang. Yan. So we are really happy
Mhm.
because sa mga viewers natin na sinasamahan tayo ngayong lunchtime nila,
Tama.
maraming salamat po. And this is just the beginning on how big, how warm, and how really passionate our volunteers are in celebrating this NVM.
Ayan, to add up to what Sir Ken has, I think they have also some filmed videos that they
Yes.
wanted to show us. So, if we may ask our tech team to play the videos they have, while na-interview sila Sir
Yes.
Ken, we have our team there who is conducting
Yeah.
this activity.
Nakakatuwa, partner, no? Because simula pa lang that they are really growing this partnership, this technical assistance. Many people are really learning from one another. Napakagandang exchange of knowledge ito. Not only from PNV SEA's part, but also to other people's part. Kasi napakaganda talaga ng puso ng volunteerismo. Napapakita dito kung paano tayo pwedeng matuto, ano pa yung pwede nating gawin, ano pa yung mga pwede pa nating palawakin.
Tama, partner. And yan po, I think ito yung binabanggit ni Sir Ken kanina ng mga
Yes.
activities na ginawa na. So apart, that is the product or output of our technical assistance with them.
Yes.
And then pinagpapatuloy pa nila. And
Yes.
we're really happy that they're all in and supporting us, not only for the agency's goals, but for the volunteers themselves.
Yes. Nakakatuwa talaga, partner, no? Because as seen in those videos, they are really eager and they are really committed in learning about volunteerism. Once again, maraming salamat po to Sir Migs and to Sir Ken. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much po for your time and your for sharing what is actually happening on the ground as we celebrate or as we open and unveil this National Volunteer Month celebration. Pero before we proceed to the last part
Yes.
ng ating episode, ngayong araw lang naman.
Yes.
So, wag po kayong malungkot sa ating mga viewers. But this time, I just want to shout out rin po si Sir Christian from Basilan State College. Hi po, Sir Christian. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us this lunchtime. Habang po siguro kumakain si Sir Christian ay nanonood po siya sa atin. So we hope that we can see you in the activities, for instance, yung ating volunteer summit there and other activities next week, which is the research conference naman. So hello, Sir Christian, and of course to the other colleagues that we have and partners that we have in Basilan State College. Yan. So partner, ayan,
Yes.
as we go forward, let's have an overview again of what is expected of the National Volunteer Month as we look into our calendar. Ayan. So I think may mga nasabi na kanina si Sir Ken what is to expect during this week from December 1 to December 5. So ating lang balikan. So on November 30, as shown on the screen,
Okay.
on your screen guys sa ating Facebook live, we have November 30 which happened yesterday. Ayan po yung outreach for the ATI happening in Malay, Aklan. So on December 1 naman yung ginawa nila ngayon. December 1 is they are visiting the provincial government of Aklan, and later on after their meeting today, they'll proceed to LGU Kalibo to also get to know or to see firsthand yung Kali volunteers na sinasabi nila doon sa LGU ng Kalibo. On December 2 naman, we have the volunteer fair at Rojas City. Yan. So this is in partnership with Capiz State University, including Philomar University and other exhibitors from national government agencies. So we have civil society organizations. And I think we will be seeing participation from the academia, itong mga students natin, student volunteers, and other active partners there in Rojas. So see you there po. And I think the venue is in SM City, Rojas. So sa ating mga viewers who are listening right now sa Rojas or within the nearby, you can visit SM City Rojas for the volunteer fair tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes. Alam mo, partner, apart from that, magkakaroon din po tayo ng International Volunteer Day celebration through in partnership with Muntinlupa City. Apart from that din po, ay magkakaroon din po tayo ng launching of the Volunteering for Water Framework via Zoom or online. And syempre, tuloy-tuloy pa ang ating mga activities. So for the next activities, ay meron din tayong kick-off activity,
Yeah, I think this
partner.
is one of the biggest highlight. Ito na po
Yes.
yung kick-off event. So in the past years, we had it in Pangasinan, in Dapitan, and last year it was in CDO. This time, we'll bring it to Iloilo City. As you can see po on your screen, we'll have the kick-off ceremony. And I think tomorrow yung Zumba para sa voluntarismo. Ayan. So it will be happening in Esplanade. So sa ating mga health enthusiasts or just volunteers who want to take part sa ating Zumba event, so kindly proceed sa ating venue tomorrow, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Yes, sa Esplanade. Ayun. So with your gears and everything, yeah. And so that's how we will be starting. Another way of starting this kickoff month. And moving forward, we have the kickoff ceremony dito po sa 21 Hotel. Yan, Sam's 21 Hotel. So there is a formal event that will be happening, and this is invitation is given out now. So we're looking forward to the participation of everyone during the kickoff ceremony. And moving forward, we also have the Kabalaka Service Caravan, and that's still on December 3. That will be on 11 a.m. So just after yung kickoff ceremony, I think different groups will be going to different areas to discover what Iloilo has to offer, and especially the beauty of Iloilo. Ayan. And there is a city tour in the afternoon. Sa afternoon pala yun, after the caravan. And lastly, another highlight would be the Volunteer Focal Summit, Focal System Summit, which will be happening on December 4 and 5 at the University of San Agustin. So we're encouraging you to participate. There is the QR code. Kindly scan if hindi pa po kayo nakapag-register and interested to participate in this activity. This is in partnership with the Iloilo Business Club, University of San Agustin as the host, and of course, Ayala Foundation Incorporated. So those are our partners in the Volunteer Focal Point System Summit. Okay.
Yes, marami pa, partner. At kung makikita niyo sa screen nyo, no, magkakaroon tayo ng National IVD Celebration on December 5 via online. So for those who really want to join us in this International Volunteer Day celebration, please join us via online on December 5 morning po ito. At magkakaroon din tayo, partner, ng mga different volunteer fair. Yeah, in Bacolod, Dumaguete, and also magkakaroon din tayo ng isang comprehensive volunteer framework for upland communities. This is in partnership with CPSU and PNVSCA.
Wow.
Also, magkakaroon din tayo ng International Research Conference. This is in December 9 to 11 at the University of San Carlos, Talamban, Cebu City. Kaya po sa ating mga partners or who are individuals who are really interested to know more about volunteerism, especially on the research aspect, this is a good avenue for you to learn everything. So, kaya po kung interested kayo, December 9 to 11, International Research Conference. All the details po can be found on PNVSCA's Facebook page. At magkakaroon din po tayo ng Volunteerism Expo in Valenzuela.
Valenzuela. Yes, that's right, partner. So, in relation to the International Research Conference, as mentioned by partner, andun lang po siya. Kung nahihirapan po kayo mag-scroll down, nakapin lang po siya sa PNVSA Facebook page. So, for easier, para po mas madali nyo mahanap. Ayan. So, moving forward, now, napunta tayo sa Valenzuela. Pupunta naman tayo on the next day, December 13, sa Antipolo City, which they will have their own volunteer expo. This is spearheaded by the city government of Antipolo. So 2 days after, we are going to have one large volunteer expo, which is also nung last episode po natin, na feature po ang Quezon City, and they have explained the mechanics, where the activity will be held. This will happen in MICE. So they're actually aiming for at least 40 organizations to participate in the expo. So sa ating mga viewers who are in the metro and also nearby provinces who are interested to participate, just visit our Facebook page and also the Quezon City government or the Bayanihang QC page to get to know more details about this expo. Ayan. And the most awaited, this is the centerpiece activity of the National Volunteer Month. It's the Search for Outstanding Volunteers awarding ceremony. And this year, we are going to have it with two other awarding ceremonies. That is the Bayanihang Media Award ceremony on its third year, and also the Outstanding International Volunteers and Partners Awarding Ceremony. So tatlong ceremonies in one day. So that is at the Ayala Museum at Makati City. So we're very excited for our regional nominees. The announcement will be during the day. So we're very excited to announce the winner. So medyo nahihirapan kaming i-control yung aming excitement, but we're going there, and that's 15 days from now. And the next day po, if you're interested to participate, we have the talakayan with the Search for Outstanding Volunteers, the Bayanihan Media Awards, and the International Volunteer Service Program awardees who will share about their experiences. And let's get to know them more on a personal level. So let's get to hear about their stories, maybe network with them. How can we expand? How can we help expand their programs that they have started in their different regions? Baka may matulong po tayo. So that's on December 17. This will be live stream as well. So if you cannot go on site, it will be online naman. So we're very excited for these activities on December. And we have more.
Yes, partner, marami-rami pa. And sa mga gusto ring matuto about volunteerism in the different sectors, we also prepared webinars for you. So on December 17, we will have Volunteering for Trade and Industry webinar. December 18, Volunteering for Migration and Development, Volunteering in the Energy Sector webinars. On December 19 po, magkakaroon din tayo ng Volunteering in the Health Sector webinar and Volunteering for Science and Technology webinar. Hindi pa doon natatapos, partner, because as we move forward, mas marami pa po tayong matutunan through the December 22 Volunteering with and for Children webinar, and also December 23 Volunteering for Jail, Parole, and Probation webinar.
And so these are in partnership with different national government agencies, civil society organizations, and of course, our partner higher education institution. So yan po, very diverse talaga ang volunteerism. It's not only focused to one sector, but we're offering a lot of opportunities for those who want really, ating mga Pilipino, di ba? There is always this question, gusto kong mag-volunteer, pero paano ako makakapag-volunteer? And here we are, a set of activities. And these are not all the activities that will be happening during the National Volunteer Month, but our partners and different organizations are also spearheading or implementing their own activities. So if you want more news about volunteerism, just visit our website. And also the calendar is present in our Facebook page as well, in our other socials. And lastly, to culminate our activities, partner.
Napakahalaga, partner, because as we highlight National Volunteer Month, as we recognize our volunteers, we also would like to recognize our partners dahil we are really thankful, always thankful po through your commitment, through your passion, through your everlasting support. So on December 29, magkakaroon po tayo ng partnership recognition and the National Volunteer Month 2025 culminating activity in La Union.
Ayan. So if you have any questions on how to participate, how to join those activities mentioned, kung paano kayo makakasali, you can always visit our Facebook page, message us, or send us an email at info@tnvsca.gov.ph. So all of our socials are open to any inquiries on how you would participate in these activities. Ayan.
Yes. Maraming salamat, partner. And babalikan ko lang, no, maraming salamat po sa aming mga resource speakers, to Ms. Arian Maghanoy, to Mr. Migs Noblesa, and to Mr. Kenneth Ciruelo. Maraming salamat po for sharing your time with us today for this kick-off PNVSA Online TV. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, so maraming salamat sa ating mga viewers na patuloy kaming sinasamahan. May mga regular viewers din tayo, partners, sa patuloy din po ninyong pag-share sa aming programa in helping us expand our reach. So, thank you so much.
Yes, patuloy nyo lamang pong i-follow, i-like, and share pa rin po ang segment na ito para po yung mga hindi pa nakapanood ngayon ay pwede nyo pa rin po mapanood ang segment or video po na ito. So you can really go back and participate to the National Volunteering activity. Partner, to end this, no, I just want to have a quick question sa iyo.
Oh, sige, partner.
Yung ine-expect mo pa na mangyayari with our National Volunteer Month? What are the things that you are looking forward to?
I think sa akin, I'm expecting for myself to participate in other volunteering activities outside sa mga activities na meron tayo. So parang nai-inspire ako na mag-volunteer din sa
Yes.
mga aking mga advocacies such as in autism awareness, yung mga ganyan, sports, and other things. So I think every one of us has our own priorities, our
Yes.
own preferences, but this National Volunteer Month, I'm really excited to be a part, not only as an employee of this agency, but to be a part personally na magsilbi rin at maglingkod sa ating mga kababayan na nangangailangan ng ating tulong.
That is
Ikaw
good,
naman,
partner.
partner.
Thank you, partner, no, for sharing that. Kasi nakaka-inspire, especially for our viewers. But ako personally, what I'm really looking forward to the National Volunteer Month celebration, tulad ng sabi mo, partner, I really want to participate din, especially on the webinar aspect, no?
Mhm.
Kasi ang volunteerism, it's really cross-cutting. Hindi
That's
lang
right.
sa isang sector, but volunteerism can be open to different sectors. And ako, partner, I really want to learn from one another.
Mhm.
Na sa mga partners natin, I'm learning from them. They are learning from our agency too. And ako personally, I just really want to be present at the moment. Present in really seeing our volunteers, seeing our partners. Alam mo, partner, katulad ng sabi ni Sir Mix, hindi naman kailangan grandioso agad.
Tama.
Diba? So if you are a startup volunteer, yung medyo nangangapa ka pa, hindi mo pa alam kung saan ka pupunta, the National Volunteer Month celebration is also for you. Sa mga veterano na nating volunteers, sa mga organizations, NVM is for you. NVM is for everyone.
Mhm.
At ang NVM is not just about every December,
That's
but
right.
volunteerism is part of our everyday life. So
Tama.
at this moment, December 1 pa lang po tayo. Let's be present at this moment. Enjoy this moment because marami pa po kaming inihanda para sa inyong lahat. Please support us and we encourage you to participate in this beautiful moment.
That's right. So I hope that this has ignited again your spirit for volunteerism, and not only to be celebrated during December, but for us to practice it as our part of our lifestyle. Ayun nga, for every Filipino to be a
Yes.
part of their lives, di ba?
Make volunteerism as a way of life for
For
every
every
Filipino.
Filipinos. Yeah, so thank you so much, partner, for that insight, and also to our viewers who are with us today, and also looking forward for more activities that you will participate with us in the future. So at dito na po, nagtatapos ang ating programa. Maraming salamat, partner. Patuloy po kayong tumutok sa susunod na episode ng PNVSA Online TV. Muli, ako si Anthony K. Bagano Jr.
Maraming salamat, partner. At ako naman po, si Alice Villa. Muli,
Happy National Volunteer Month! Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang volunteerismo.
Thank you!